Welcome back to Top 5 Products channel. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 features of the eufy RoboVac 15C Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're on the hunt for a smart cleaning solution, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Feature number 1, Powerful Suction. The RoboVac 15C Max has a powerful suction of 2000 pascals, which is more than enough to clean up even the toughest messes. This makes it ideal for homes with pets or young children, where dirt and debris can accumulate quickly. In addition to its powerful suction, the RoboVac 15C Max also has a 3-point cleaning system with dual side brushes and a powerful main brush. The side brushes sweep dirt and debris away from edges and corners, while the main brush loosens and lifts embedded dirt and hair. This ensures that your floors are getting the deepest clean possible. Feature number 2, BoostIQ technology. The RoboVac 15C Max is equipped with BoostIQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when transitioning from hard floors to carpets. This is because carpets require more suction to remove embedded dirt and dust. BoostIQ technology is also helpful for cleaning up high-traffic areas, such as entryways and kitchens. By automatically increasing suction power in these areas, the RoboVac 15C Max ensures that they are getting the cleanest possible. Feature number 3, Super Slim Design. The RoboVac 15C Max has a super slim design of just 2.85 inches. This means that it can easily clean under furniture and other low-clearance areas. This is especially important for homes with a lot of furniture, as it allows the RoboVac 15C Max to clean all of your floors thoroughly. In addition to being able to clean under furniture, the RoboVac 15C Max's super slim design also allows it to easily navigate around obstacles. This means that you don't have to worry about it getting stuck on cords or other items on the floor. Feature number 4, Quiet Operation. The RoboVac 15C Max is very quiet, operating at just 55 dB. This means that you can run it while you're working, watching TV, or even sleeping. This is a great feature for people who have pets or young children, as it won't disturb them while they are sleeping or playing. The RoboVac 15C Max's quiet operation is also helpful for people who live in apartments or other close quarters. It won't disturb your neighbors when you run it, even if you live in a thin-walled building. Feature number 5, Programmable Cleaning Schedule. The RoboVac 15C Max can be programmed to clean on a schedule, so you don't have to think about it. You can set it to clean once a day, multiple times a week, or even every day. This is a great feature for busy people who don't have time to vacuum their floors every day. The RoboVac 15C Max's programmable cleaning schedule is also helpful for people who have allergies. By setting the RoboVac 15C Max to clean on a regular schedule, you can help to reduce the amount of allergens in your home. So, those are the top 5 features of the eufy RoboVac 15C Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and affordable robot vacuum cleaner, the RoboVac 15C Max is a great option to consider. It is easy to use, quiet, and offers excellent cleaning performance. With its powerful suction, BoostIQ technology, super slim design, quiet operation, and programmable cleaning schedule, the RoboVac 15C Max is the perfect robot vacuum cleaner for any home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews.